Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we'll tell how to fix unsupported media in gallery problem Android. So let's start. It's very easy to do it. So first let's go to our gallery icon and then just long press here and just press app info. Okay, now that we are on app info, well, first you have to go to storage and then just click on clear cache or data. Okay, so just click here and you press OK. When you do it, just go here and then let's go here to all the permissions. You have to give all the permissions to the gallery, to files and media. You have to give all the permissions, all allowed, location also allow, and for example here just go back and then you have this message that says no permissions denied. So that's it. And then if this pause out activity unused, just click here and activate it. Okay, notification yes, everything is active. So with that, probably you will fix the unsupported media problem. So now you can open a gallery and try to watch the videos that you couldn't watch before. So that is the way you can do it. So I hope this works for you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and give like to this video.